My name is Anastasia.
My name is Sofia.
My name is Anastasia.
We are from Ukraine and we fight
For the rights of refugee children.
Because in war, children suffer the most.
We know because we saw it with our own eyes.
I remember everything.
The bombing,
The air raid siren.
the fear.
We escaped our country not knowing where to go.
I was torn apart from my family. I live here with my mother, and my dad and my brother are both in Ukraine. It is really heartbreaking for me, especially because we were always like a very tight-knit family, and he wasn't here for my 18th birthday. He's probably not gonna be here for my graduation, and it kind of feels like we're just running out of time that I could spend together.
I still worry a lot about my parents, my friends, and I still have an application with air raid alarms, so I know when my family is in danger. I don't know how they are, so I just wait until someone calls me or texts me.
Anastasia, Sofia and Anastasia met each other online. While working on a different project, they were deeply touched by the story of a young boy who crossed the border, all alone, with no parents. They felt the need to step up and decided to make a change. They start creating 2 apps for refugee children.
One for young children fleeing their own country.
Through this app, they can understand where they are, call for help, and communicate with local people. And the second app is to help older children who have already reached their destination
To help them integrate.
and build lasting relationship with host communities.
With our app, we want to help every refugee child in the world.
Children need to be protected.
Educated and deserve to live their lives free from trauma.
This means our work needed now more than ever.
Kids are the world's future.
And we are the world's now.
Protect kids to save our future.
Anastasia, Sofia and Anastasia are in the top 3 of the International Children's Peace Prize 2023.